We're going to make another origami model here, but I won't say what it is until the end. You can have a guess and see what happens at the end. We start off with our square piece of paper. It can be decorated, blank on the other side. We start off with the square piece of paper. Going to take our top right hand corner down to our left hand corner, making sure the corners match together so the edges all align, and make a good crease. Run your fingernail down the fold, and then open it back up. We're then going to take the top left hand corner and fold it to the bottom right hand corner. Again, making sure the corners match, as do the edges of your paper, which is, make your fold, run your fingernail down your fold. We open it back up. What to do now is to hold the paper in the middle of the right hand side and the left hand side and bring them together slowly. And you're going to take it down, so you're going to make a triangle. So once your corners match and the bottom edge matches, fold and make sure you fold down the middle, because how it looks, it should look like that. Okay, now we have our triangle. We're going to take our top right hand flap and take the bottom corner and fold it straight up to the point, so this edge comes straight down the middle. We then make a crease. Fold. We do the same with the left side. We take our left hand point straight up to the top point, and again make our fold. We now take our right hand top point and fold it down to the bottom. Again, make sure the points all match and they're in the centre. And we do the same with the left hand. Take the point down to the bottom and make our fold. We then open these two back up. You're then going to take your right hand point and fold it into the middle, so the point goes onto that line that you've made, that fold that you've made, it goes into the middle there, and then we fold. We then do the same with the left hand point. We take the left hand point, fold it into the middle, so they're pointing at each other, and then make our fold. We take our top right hand point, fold it across, and you're going to fold it along the edge of the point that you've made, so it makes a triangle with the point sticking up. We then take the little point and fold it to the middle, again making sure the edges match up. We now do the same with the left hand side. Take the top point and we're going to fold it along the edge of this that you've made here. and then take the left hand point and fold it into the middle. Make sure we fold there. We then open these up slightly because we're going to tuck these bits into a little pocket. So I'll turn it round and we hold up this point, and you can see here we will make a little pocket, and we're going to tuck this little triangle that we made into the pocket. So as you tuck it in, make sure it all goes in and then fold it down. We'll then do the same with this one. We have this little triangle that we've made, and we're going to put it into this pocket. So it just pushes into the pocket, and as you bring this flap down, it pushes in fully, and just make a good crease. Turn it back up so the point of your triangle is facing away from you. We're going to turn the model over, and we're going to do exactly the same on this side. So if you remember, we take our bottom right hand point, fold it all the way up to the top point, and make our fold. We take our left hand point, fold it all the way up to the top, making sure it matches up, and then make our fold. We take our top right hand point, fold it to the bottom, make our fold. Take our top left hand point, fold it to the bottom, make our fold. We open these two up, back up to the top, and you can see we have the fold line. We're going to take our right hand point to the middle on the fold line that you've made. And then we're going to do the same with the left. Take the point to the middle, and make the fold. We then take our top right hand point, fold it along this edge so it folds across, and then we fold this right hand point into the centre, but make sure you get them to line up. We take our top left and fold this across, and then we take the left point and fold it into the middle, making our crease. We're now going to do this again, the same as the other side, where we open these two little triangles up and find the pocket. Once we get the pocket, we slip the little triangle you've made into the pocket, and as it folds down, make a crease. Here, we lift the flap up, make a pocket, and the little triangle we've made just pushes inside and hides inside. We now have this shape, and what we're going to do is we will pick it up, and the two flaps we will hold together and hold those two together, and make sure, just make sure all your creases are nice and flat. Okay, now we've got our model like this. I've got one that I have prepared earlier, and here is the one that we prepared earlier. So the question is, how are we going to make this into this? We're going to turn the model that we've made, we've folded up the paper into this, and we're going to turn it into this. And how we do that is, you'll see that one end has got no hole, it's sealed up. The other end actually has a tiny hole in it. So, like any balloon, what do you do with any balloon? You blow it up. There we go. You can make your own paper balloon.